Hey guys, so I've gotten a few more requests about making things like boxes and lanterns and stuff like that, and I just want to make sure that you guys know about the new web tools in Lightburn. So Lightburn added web tools for 2.1, and the first one in there is going to be Cuddle. And Cuddle is a third-party application where you can actually design some different things like boxes, keychains, all different kinds of files are in there, but they let you actually go in and adjust those and customize those designs. One of the nice things about Cuddle is there is a free edition, and that free edition is going to give you things like starting a box or starting a lantern or anything kind of box related. So I want to show you this real quick because it's pretty powerful and it takes so much stress out of doing design work in Lightburn. So let's go to Cuddle. I'm going to bring this up. Now, I just have the free edition. This is an open box with finger joints. If I go into my templates and just search for boxes, it'll show you a couple of different ones. So we've got a single lid, we've got hinge lids, we've got a closed lid. So let's go ahead and do a closed lid box with finger joints. I'm going to pull this up very quickly. I'm going to shrink this down so everybody can see it a little bit better. And I'm going to go down here and I'm going to say, okay, the width of my box, let's say we are going to turn this into a lantern. The exterior or the width of the box itself might be 4 inches. The depth, let's see, 4 inches. And then the height, let's do the height at 8 inches. Okay, there we go. And you can see it adjusted, this file, right? Also, I'm going to go down here and say, okay, yep, my material thickness is 1.25. Or if we are running 3 millimeter, we put in 3 millimeter. Or if we're doing 1.25, we do 2.25. If we are going to do 6 millimeter, we do 6 millimeter. So look at how your vendor is sending you the material. Make sure that is setting up there correctly. The next thing we want to do is we want to look at curve. 0.007 is a nice fit. I usually leave it right here. That way I don't have to guess. The other thing is our tab width. So if we're making these, how big do we want these tabs? Right now it's set to 1/2 inch. And for me, that's perfectly fine. I'm fine with that. I'm happy with that. Then it gives me my inner and outer width and depths. Gives me a little video on how to do it, but right now I'm just going to go ahead and send this to Lightburn, and I now have all my pieces that I need to start building a box or building, like I was saying, a lantern. Now let's say I do want to make this a lantern. So I'm going to ungroup these, and I'm going to go ahead and put whatever shapes I wanted, ungroup, to cut out right in this box, right? So this is the side, front, back of my box. Maybe I want these to be cut out with stars. So I can just put a bunch of stars in here. I can copy them, I can array them, lay them out however I want, or whatever design I want to put in there. I can do it, and then I just cut this whole thing out, and it will, you know, it'll do that thing it does, where it cuts out the box, and then it cuts out the interior pieces. So that's boxes. That tells you a little bit about finger joints. This is why I love Cuddle. I do have an affiliate link. If you would like it, it'll be at the end of this video. If you do want to try Cuddle, it is free. If you decide you want to go pro, use my affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anything more. It gives me a little cred. And I look forward to speaking with you guys. I hope this helps someone today.